Hello students, today we are going to study the fifth part of chapter 2 geography, and in this part we are going to study about the standard time. In the previous part we have studied about local time, the meaning of local time and how longitude and time are interrelated. Now what is a standard time, children, that we are going to study in this part? So, meaning of standard time. Every country select a central meridian as the standard meridian. We know, children, that from every country longitudes, different longitudes passes, and every country has to select one meridian for the time, for the setting of time for their country, because in the different meridians have different time. So they have to set one standard meridian for time which is prevailed in their whole country. And it also depends on the extent of a country. If the country is very wide, the country is very wide, so it several longitude passes through it. So the country may have more than one standard time. Okay, so let's see, the local time of that standard meridian becomes the standard time for that country. Understood? The country which select the standard meridian or the central meridian, that meridian time is known as standard time. In case of India, it is called IST or Indian Standard Time, children. So in our country India, it is called Indian Standard Time. Now what is the need of setting standard time, children? Why we require standard time? हमको standard time की need क्यों है? So different meridian indicates different time. The local time of a place which are on the different meridian are different. Yes, different meridians have different time and the local time varies from, suppose if we are talking about India, the time which shows at Arunachal Pradesh is totally different from the time or the meridian time which shown by Gujarat, because the different longitudes passes through it and they have the local time differently. This creates problems. Now what happens? What happens if the country follow those times? So it will create confusion among children in preparation of timetables. Suppose when the train starts from Arunachal Pradesh and it has to reach Gujarat, so it creates confusion when it will start in Arunachal Pradesh, that time and the Gujarat time does not match. So it creates confusion, it creates problem in preparation of timetable regarding the train as well as the timetable of flight. So to avoid those confusion, to solve that problem, we need a standard time of India. So India decided the midway or the mid meridian between both the extent from east to west, and that is 82.5 degree meridian, children, which is declared as the standard meridian of India. So India longitude extend from 68 degree east, it is in Gujarat, okay, to 97 degree 25 degree east in Arunachal Pradesh. So east to west the extent is of 29 degrees, children, and 82.5 degree is longitude is running through the Allahabad is taken as a standard meridian. इन दोनों के बीच का जो मेरिडियन है वो हमने क्या मान लिया? स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन. And the time shows by that meridian we will follow in whole of our country. So the local time of 82.5 degree is followed as Indian Standard Time or IST. Okay. So let's see with the help of figure. See, children, it is the longitude which passes from the Gujarat, and this is 65 degree and 65 degree and 7 minute east, and it is the longitude which is passed from Arunachal Pradesh here 5 minutes in time. So to avoid the confusion among the railway flight, among the preparation of timetable and confusion in every aspect. Suppose you call to your friend in the Gujarat and you say what is the time, you will say his time and you will follow your time. So it creates confusion when you set up for the meeting and also much problem is there if you follow different type of time zone according to the longitude passes severally. So we decided, or every country, this is the condition of every country. So every country decided the midway of their country as a standard meridian. Understood? And in case of India, it is 82.5 degree east longitude. So this is the Indian Standard Time or IST in short. I hope you understood this part. And when we are talking about the other country may have more than one standard time as it has very large extent. So when we are talking about Russia, it has 11 different time zones. They are following 11 different time zones because Russia is very wide in extent. So that's why they are following 11 different time zone, children. But in India, we are following one standard meridian, and that is IST, and the value is 82.5 degree. So I hope you understood this part very well.